All right, this is an interior renovation dashboard example. This is a really neat tool to keep you up to date with all of the progress on any of the units that are being renovated at your community. So a couple different quick links here. We've got resources at the top. One thing that's really awesome is if you click on this unit request button, it will allow you to easily add a unit to your dashboard. So if you have, say, 550 units at your site, but you want to add one more, and we've only been scoping out, say, 506 for now. You can easily add another one there or add multiple. And it's a really neat tool that kind of showcases just how easy we make it for you while you're navigating the renovation process. Um, Here you'll see your point of contacts. Obviously, for the examples here, we've got some people on our leadership team, but this will change just depending on who your project manager is at your community for your project, as well as who your main point of contact would be. There's project information here, the scope of work as it's outlined in the contract, your community information, and then the property contacts could be anywhere from a construction project manager for your company to a property manager or maintenance supervisor, depending on how your hierarchy at your specific company works. One of my favorite things about this tool is the unit status. So it shows how many units have been scheduled, how many are in progress, how many have been completed, and then how many we have left. And then from there, you can see the in progress units, you can see the scheduled units. The units that are in progress section here just shows like how many we've done total, or how many we will be doing total, how many are completed, how many are left, how many are on the schedule up next, and how many are in progress. The scheduled units here is really great because it shows if they've been measured or not. If for some reason there's any hiccups there, we can leave notes there. Or if there's a note saying maybe someone kept their keys a little longer than necessary and we needed to, change the start date, all of those notes would be listed here. Any of the units that have been completed would be listed here, which is great because, again, you can see those notes. So, for instance, this one says break-in water line at boiler to be fixed by the maintenance team. Additionally, this just really shows like if we were supposed to return it, say, on February 1st, but we weren't able to get it done until the 11th because the water line had to be fixed. You can see all of that pertinent information there and share with your stakeholders. And then this is really great because if it were your dashboard, it would show all of your completed units. And this section down here is clickable, so it would go to a Google Drive that would show you all of the photos from that unit. But we've got these listed out here that just have sections of what some of our past unit renovations look like. And again, all of these are clickable, so I'll put the link in the description for the video as well. That way you can kind of click around and see a little bit more.